All right, today I have a Ram 1500. Some people call it a Dodge Ram 1500, but I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights in this particular Ram 1500. Okay, see the Ram right there. And now I'm holding up my finger up here ridiculously for, I don't know why, but maybe it'll influence you to give me a thumbs up, I guess. But I'm going to put it down and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the ceiling lights, or also called the dome lights, whatever you want to call them. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so I'm behind the steering wheel of the vehicle, right? The Ram 1500. In order to turn on and off the dome lights, the ceiling lights, you just look up here. Do you see this right here? This right here, this button turns on the light for this side. Press that on right there. This is the reading light, okay? So each side has this, has one right here and one right here. That is the reading light. Now to turn them off, I'm just gonna press them like that, press them like that. So that's the reading light. But then you also have the door lights, okay? Or you can actually turn them on, all the lights on, including the back, by coming over and pressing this button right here. So I press this button right here, the lights come on right here, the lights come back on the rear. Now, to turn them off, I just simply come to the off button, and now they turn off just like that. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.